Hello and welcome to this video about why we use petroleum products for vehicles. If you've ever wondered why gasoline, diesel, and other fossil fuels are still so important to our transportation system, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the science and history behind petroleum products, and we'll take a closer look at some of the alternatives that are being developed to replace them. To understand why petroleum products are so important to our vehicles, it's helpful to start with some basic chemistry. Fossil fuels are made up of hydrocarbons, which are molecules composed of hydrogen and carbon atoms. These hydrocarbons contain a lot of energy, which is released when they are burned. This energy is what powers the internal combustion engines in most cars, trucks, and other vehicles. But why did we start using fossil fuels in the first place? The answer lies in their abundance, energy density, and convenience. Petroleum products are relatively easy to extract from the ground and transport, and they provide a lot of energy in a small amount of space. In contrast, early alternatives like electric vehicles and steam-powered cars were much less efficient and more difficult to operate. Over time, the technology used in internal combustion engines and other petroleum-powered vehicles has become more sophisticated, allowing them to be more efficient and produce less pollution. However, the environmental impact of burning fossil fuels remains a major concern. Fossil fuels contribute to air pollution and climate change, and their extraction and transportation can also have negative impacts on local ecosystems. In response to these concerns, researchers and engineers are developing a range of alternatives to fossil fuels, including electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and biofuels. These technologies are still in the early stages of development, but they hold great promise for the future of transportation. In conclusion, petroleum products remain an essential component of our transportation system due to their abundance, energy density, and convenience. However, their environmental impact is a growing concern, and efforts are underway to develop cleaner and more sustainable alternatives. Whether we'll eventually transition away from fossil fuels entirely remains to be seen, but it's clear that the future of transportation will be shaped by ongoing advancements in science, technology, and innovation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.